Hi friends, welcome back to Hershey's Kitchen. Today I am going to show how to make masala dosa, where it's the favorite Indian breakfast originated in South India, but you will find it all over the India as well as overseas. You will get it in many other variations. If you like this recipe, please click the like button below and do not forget to subscribe my channel. For preparing masala dosa, I am using peanut powder to sprinkle over dosa. So let's start with the preparation of peanut powder. Need some peanuts, dry red chilies, 2 cloves of garlic, 1 teaspoon of cumin seeds. We will dry roast all together for about 5 minutes and then blend it finely by adding some salt into it. Now I will start with masala preparation. For that we need boiled potatoes. The potatoes should not boil too much. They should remain little bit tender, and peel off the skin of potatoes. Now using a potato masher, mash the potatoes nicely. Do not mash the potatoes too much. Once the potatoes are ready, put it aside and take a pan. Once the pan is hot, add about a tablespoon of oil into it. The oil is hot, add about 1 teaspoon of mustard seeds, 1 tablespoon of Bengal gram. Stir them well and we will roast until the Bengal gram changes its color. Now we will add roughly chopped onions. Saute the onions. Put the flame in medium and saute the onions. We will saute until the onions become translucent. Add about 1 teaspoon of salt. Mix it well. Add about 4 finely chopped green chilies and saute together with onions. Add about half a teaspoon of turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon of coriander powder. Mix it well. Add about half a teaspoon of cumin powder. Now add about 2 tablespoons of water into it. By that the onions will become glossy and that will cook properly. Now we will cook the onions for about 2 minutes and then sprinkle some freshly chopped coriander and mint leaves. Mix them together. We will cook the onions until they are completely cooked. Once the onions are nicely done, we will add mashed up potatoes into the onions. Mix the potato mixture completely, by that it should blend with the onion mixture. Put the flame in sim and cook the potato mixture for about 5 minutes. Now turn off the flame and add about 1 tablespoon of lemon juice into it. Mix it completely with the potato mixture. I will keep this potato mixture aside and start with preparing dosa. For preparation of dosa batter, you can click the link mentioned above. Take a bowl and add dosa batter into the bowl, which is pre-prepared. Take the required quantity of dosa batter. Add about half a teaspoon of salt and 1 teaspoon of sugar. By adding sugar, it gives nice color and crispiness to dosa. I have added about half a glass of water. Mix it well. Mix it completely, and now the dosa batter should look like this. It should be in pouring consistency like this. Take a non-stick dosa pan, and once the pan is hot, sprinkle some water on top of it. By that the pan temperature will come down, and add about 4 drops of oil and spread it around with a slice of onion. Now pour the dosa batter onto the pan and spread it in outward circular motion. The dosa should come very thin. Put the flame in completely medium, that should not be in high. Spread it slowly just like this. Now put the flame in high and take some butter and spread it over the dosa. And sprinkle the peanut powder which we have prepared before, and sprinkle all over the dosa. Once you find the dosa is changing its color, put the potato masala on top of the dosa onto a side. Now our dosa is ready. Just roll the dosa and I will plate it. Now our perfect masala dosa is ready. Serve it hot along with some peanut chutney or coconut chutney. It tastes really amazing. So friends, please try this recipe and give me your valuable feedback in the below comment section. Please like and subscribe for more such easy recipes. Thank you so much for watching.